Hi everyone, I will show you how to make a post public on Facebook. First of all, you need to open your Facebook app, then tap here, then add any picture. Now you need to tap only me option in the bottom of your username and tap to a public option. Now your post will be public on Facebook. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.